My name is Dr. Shantae Stotts. I'm a graduate of Guilford College.
My name is Steve Harrison, class of 2003.
Leslie Leonard, class of 2014.
Lucas Vrubsky, class of 2002.
Eli David Clunin, class of 2015.
Ellen Yutzi Kleber, class of 2001.
I'm a licensed clinical social worker, a licensed clinical addiction specialist, and a certified clinical supervisor.
Contact tracing agent with Guilford Global.
I work as a freelance translator, specialized in translating academic scholarship from German into English.
I'm the assistant site manager and curator at the Charlotte Hawkins Brown Museum and State Historic Site.
I'm the assistant director of Engaged Scholarship at Johns Hopkins University.
I'm the vice president of Auxiliary Enterprises, Coastal Carolina University.
History is rich, complex, and helps us to develop a better understanding of the world we live in. Guilford College's history department prepared me for the work I do today by teaching me how to look at multiple facets of one topic through critical thinking, exploration, and good research.
The history department at Guilford College prepared me to go and find stories. I think the major influence of the work I did in learning about how to be a historian, how to study history at Guilford College, prepared me to go out and understand the people around me.
Given the small class size and the feedback that I got from professors, I feel like I was really well equipped to do the work that I do today as a freelance translator and editor.
These majors helped me to consider the multiple variables that contribute to the health and well-being for individuals and communities.
They influenced my career and my life by being excited about helping others, inspiring me to be kind and helpful.
The history department added to my career by providing me with foundational knowledge to begin a lifelong journey, which includes diverse histories of people and culture, as I focus on diversity within higher education.
I particularly appreciated the opportunity to do original historical research, which really gave me an edge when I applied to graduate school and also when I applied for a Fulbright scholarship.
The ideas of justice and stewardship, simplicity and equity, these are all things that influenced me to work on a day-to-day basis to make the lives of my staff and our students better.
The opportunity to be grounded in community service and to better understand institutional oppression have been invaluable.
As a public historian, I develop programming and exhibits that focus on voting rights, civil rights, and social justice. I never develop a public program or exhibit without considering the community I'm serving or making sure marginalized voices are being amplified.
I came to Guilford knowing that I wanted to major in history, but I also knew that I wanted a school with a rich liberal arts tradition that would give me the opportunity to pursue other interests.
The well-grounded liberal arts education, coupled with the once robust adult continuing education program, made the Guilford College experience of extreme value to me.
It has really given me the background that I need in order to transition smoothly between such a wide array of fields.
There's no greater place to go, mature, figure out who you are, and learn how you can influence the world around you to be a better place.